Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to block pop-ups in the Microsoft Edge web browser on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer guys. Let's jump straight into it. Open up Microsoft Edge, select the three dot icon right corner, select the settings. On left side, select the cookies and other site data. Site permission, cookies and site permission, click on it. On right side, scroll down guys, you just need to scroll down. Here is pop-ups and redirects. Click on it, click on that arrow mark, and you just want to enable the block. You just want to recommend it, you just need to enable this, and you can also add a specific website to block in here guys. Click on add. For example, YouTube, you can also YouTube pop-ups. Just want to paste it in the URL guys, this URL like this. Just want to copy and paste it in, that website pops up will be blocked. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.